Ooh, you almost fell in a ditch.
Get it now.
On that side. You think we can make it?
Oh, right there?
This jump?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. My doggy!
Oh, we did it. Now we have to go all the way back.
It's easy going. I mean, it's like going to San Antonio. It's hard going to it, but it's easy going back.
But not, like,
Oh, yeah.
we're not. How'd you get over here?
No, just step. It's easy. It's real
She
easy.
jumps. I think she jumps.
Look, don't step on the edges. They'll break. Come on. Come on.
What?
I'm gonna get out already.